Alright, so here's a little walk around. It's a 2016 Ledwell perimeter beam trailer. You can see there's not a whole lot of rust on it. It's a Southern trailer. It has a remote receiver. It does not have a remote sender that goes with the trailer. All the controls operate. Has an air weight scale. In my opinion, this is a better type scale than the digital. The digital just doesn't seem to work very well. You got flip out load ramps. These are handy for accessing the loading ramp. Recessed ramp lifts up to the neck so that you can load the neck. These are spots to put chains and so forth. 235, 75, 20, 17.5 tires. Basically a stereotypical HYDRATAIL. Flips out, lays down. This is a low profile trailer, so theoretically it has a little bit better ride height. These are called curb lights. If you have a turn signal on, theoretically they come on and operate. To be perfectly honest, it's one more light bulb to worry about fixing. Again, flip out side step. You got deck lights that are actually very handy. They're LED. And the winch is a hydraulic winch. And other than that, the trailer's pretty clean. It's just a very simple 2016 Ledwell.